nice to be alone. I have a deep love for quiet space, especially walking through the forest. When the rains come, the world slows down. The symphony of falling rain, the soft chatter of birds. Even without knowing their language, I feel deeply connected to them. I find myself wanting to linger in their presence, to listen to their secrets. It's a feeling that washes over me, bringing complete peace, to inhale the fresh air, to truly be present in that very second. It's a warmth that word can barely capture, a quiet joy. This would have always come to me, though I haven't been able to visit them as often as I wished. My husband isn't the one for the chills, and when my daughters were little, a mother's anxiety kept me close to home, and so the forest reminded me a distant stream. I still smell thinking about a show I saw as a child, a story of a person living isolated on a hill, just breathe the air day by day at a time. It seemed like a dreadful way to live, but today I understand. I recently come across a beautiful reflection. Where mother ends, spirit stands tall. Where mother stands hopeless, thought begins. It struck a deep chord within me. Arrived at the exact moment I needed it most. Literally, my mind has been drifting toward the idea of starting over. For so long, the thought of permanent change terrified me. Even the smallest shift brought a wave of anxiety. What if I fail? What if I regret it? It wasn't always rational, but it was deeply human. I spent years posing those fears away, pretending everything was fun, but recently I finally chose to face them. I sat with the discomfort, allowed myself to feel the heavy emotion I had avoided, and something shifted. Once I let them go, a sudden burst of energy and clarity returned to me, a feeling I hadn't felt in years, and that was when real, practical change began in my daily life. I now realize that nurturing myself first, through quiet mornings, honest reflection, and giving myself permission to slow down, is what made this simple lifestyle possible. It isn't completely stress-free. Of course, there are still days when I feel lost, but overall, life feels so much lighter, so much more meaningful than the fast-paced days of my past. Now I'm gently trying to uncover what I truly want to do with my time. Some days bring excitement, others bring uncertainty. I'm still figuring it all out. But for the first time in a while, I'm genuinely excited about the slow process of finding my way.